Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The peak cicada season is November and December. Cicadas spend most of their life underground, with many large Australian species living underground as nymphs for around 6 to 7 years. This is why in certain years some species are more abundant than others. There is often peaks every few years.
Take our lead.
Cicada expert, David Emery, said 2020 is shaping up to be a big year for Australia's loudest insect, with large numbers already being noticed around the Blue Mountains in NSW. The last time cicadas appeared in such high numbers was 7 years ago in 2013.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.